Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. 4 awesome tips and tricks for a safer home cleaning. Natural cleaning products are highly effective, but less expensive cleaning solutions. Compared to conventional cleaning products, they are capable of delivering greater benefits. These benefits are of great use to both humans and the environment. Apart from the fact that you can ensure the nature and health friendliness of the cleaning solution that you are using, you can also save money if you produce your own natural cleaning products. To help you make your own green cleaning products, here are 4 of the recipes that you can mimic. Mold remover. What you will need are 2 cups of tap water, 1/4 cup of borax and a sponge. To remove molds, simply wash the area using a sponge soaked in a borax water mixture. For best results, let the mixture stay on the molded area for a few hours or even overnight, then just scrub it off. Oven cleaner. To clean your oven, simply sprinkle some water on the bottom of it. Then, put some baking soda on top of the dried food stains and then sprinkle it with water. You can leave it just like that overnight and wipe it up in the morning using a cloth. A mild abrasive pad will be a big help in removing stubborn grimes. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Glass cleaner. 4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 quart of warm water are all you need to have sparklingly clean mirrors, glass windows, and furniture. Simply mix the said ingredients and put the mixture on a spray bottle. Then wipe dry the glass items using crumpled newspapers after spraying the solution for best results. Bathroom cleaners. There are actually a number of natural cleaning products that can be used to tidy up your bathroom. You can combine baking soda and vinegar to clean and deodorize your toilet bowl. You can also use 1/2 cup of white vinegar or lemon juice and 1 cup of borax to remove stains. Simply sprinkle the borax on the toilet bowl and then spray the vinegar, and after a while flush your toilet. Everyday grimes can be removed with the use of natural cleaning products. Make sure that your house is tidy and chemical-free with green cleaning products. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the best way to deep clean your carpets without chemicals. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.